My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. I want you to welcome you to my YouTube station. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I've been doing this since, I hate to tell you, '73. I've been on Fox Business News and ABC and all that stuff. And what I like to do, there's a lot of do-it-yourselfers and people that actually want to hear, not read, what this. Plus, you can judge what I'm saying. Do you believe me? Do you not believe me? So whatever I tell you is really the gold standard as far as what you need to know. For me, I like to rip back the curtain and show you what's inside of IRS to get the inside information. And there's about 20 million people who have not filed tax returns. I get them every day. There's probably not a day I don't get one or two calls that you want to file your back tax returns. I just want to tell you something. Obviously, from not filing returns, you're going to have a problem with IRS. At some point in time, IRS is going to file your tax return for you. But you have to know the other problems. I'm going to read them to you. I wrote these things down. So the reason you want to file a tax return, first benefits. You don't know that, but if those returns aren't filed, when you get my age, you want that Social Security. Guess what? That Social Security is not going to be there. That's one of the big reasons you file the returns. If you're a salaried wage earner or W-2, my guess you've probably lost your refunds. I had someone recently who lost $16,000 in refunds over the past year. If you're a W-2 wage earner, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely make sure you go ahead and file your returns. IRS has on their IRS transcript portal all your income, all your wages for the last 6 years. Go to a professional, us, whoever you want, get your tax returns prepared to protect the Social Security benefits and not to lose out on refunds. The other thing is, if you're ever really going to buy anything, now there's a lot of people live on the lam. I understand that they work in cash. I've represented my fair share of them. But if you ever want a loan, you have to do it. You have to go ahead and get these prepared. You can just go ahead and prepare that. So, and like I told you, if you don't file this tax return, boom. I mean, IRS is going to file for you, and you're going to have a lot of penalties and interest. So the big advantage to file these returns is so you don't want IRS filing for you. You want to protect your Social Security by all means, and you want to go ahead and never have the IRS knock on the door. So if IRS ever does send you a letter, and this letter comes out in all different forms, I think this one in particular comes out in a CP notice. I think it's CP 59, tells you haven't got the returns. IRS is on your trail. They've already caught up to you in the paper trail of knowing you need to file a tax return. Don't lose those benefits. Don't lose tax refunds. Get someone to go ahead. Go where the ladies are. The Liberty lady, go somewhere, get your returns filed, okay? By the way, I do want to just mention one other thing. If you're a wage earner, anybody can do your returns. You can go TurboTax for free, but if you're a self-employed business person, partnership or corporation, that's the point you want to go ahead and contact really competent preparation so you're not overpaying. So anyway, if you like what I said, please give me a subscription. Apparently YouTube thinks subscriptions are big, more than a like. If you have comments, leave them. I try to return every comment that I have by the end of every week. Listen to what I say. I'm telling you the God's honest truth. Thank you.